Hello everyone, happy Christmas Telokanda family. I'm so happy to be live here to host you guys on the Telokanda AMA, the first ever Telokanda AMA event. It's a very first live streaming. So I want to add my co-founder, Zachary Williams from San Diego. I will add him on the live stream. So we can begin. Yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Shout out to all of you. Good to have you all here. So, quick reminder, if you're joining us, if you're just joining us, what you have to do is to screenshot the live stream because we are going to ask for it when we are done with the stream. So, screenshot that you attended the party or the AMA, sorry, and we are going to reward everyone who attended the live stream. Also, if you guys have questions, you can start sending in your questions. For the first 15 minutes, we are going to use the first 15 minutes to welcome questions. So, first of all, I would like to inform you all that Telokanda is an advertisement platform which is based on Telos, EOSIO, and Hive blockchains. So it is a smart contract platform which is based on the Hive, the EOSIO, and the Telos blockchains. Okay. I think co-founder is about to join us now.
I didn't want to interrupt. Keep going. I didn't want to interrupt, but yeah, you were just about to say EOS. I just want to get that up.
Interrupting. Nice to have you on live with us, man. It's your first ever live stream.
Trying to get my internet on here. Let me just make sure everything's as fast as it can be. Let's see. Change Wi-Fi out. You know.
Okay. I think we have questions already. Okay, guys. I think he's got a poor connection. So, as I was saying, if you're just joining us, Telokanda is a platform that deals on advertisements. Our aim also is to promote blockchain technology and cryptocurrency adoption in Africa. That doesn't stop people from different parts of the world to join the community, which means that our community accommodates everyone from any part of the world. If you join our Telegram or our Discord, our community on Hive blockchain, you find out that we have people from different parts of the country, from different parts of the world. So we have Nigerians, we have Ghanaians, we have Americans, we have people from Indonesia, we have people from China, we have people from Venezuela, people from the UK. So it's a free-for-all platform. Our target is to educate people about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency and what they stand to benefit if they invest in cryptocurrency. Now, if you don't know about cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency is digital currency. Blockchain technology can be defined as a digital ledger, which is used to store records of transactions across servers. This record of transactions are being stored in such a way that it is secure and no one person can take control of it, which means that it is totally secure and safe. Okay, due to the efforts that we have put in promoting cryptocurrency in Africa, we have been able to onboard people from different parts of the world, like I told you guys earlier, to platforms like the Hive platform. The Hive platform is a blogging platform where users post their blogs to earn cryptocurrency, which means that if you post a blog on Hive, you are entitled to earn a reward. After 7 days, you earn a payout reward, and the rewards are going to be auto reward and also curator's reward. The auto rewards are the tokens that you earn from making a post, while the curator rewards are the tokens you earn for curating other users' blogs or posts. We have also been able to onboard users on the Telos ecosystem. In case you don't know, our platform is also based on the Telos blockchain. Now, the Telos network is an ecosystem which ensures that leaders, companies, communities, businesses unite and build a strong global economy. You could head over to telos.net to read more about the Telos network. Also, if you want to join the Hive blockchain, head over to hive.blog and create your free account now. Telokanda also has a tribe. Telokanda has a tribe on the Hive, and the tribe is used by the community members to make blogs. When these blogs are being posted, after 1 week, the users who make the blogs earn Kanda token. Kanda token is the native currency of the Telokanda platform, which means if you make your post through nitrous.telokanda.com, you are going to earn Kanda tokens, and you're also going to earn Hive when your blog pays out. So that's how interesting it is. So like I was saying, we have been able to onboard thousands of users on platforms like the Challenge EOS platform based on the EOS blockchain. We have been able to onboard users on the Telos network. We have been able to onboard users on Hive.blog. So these users we onboard are able to earn free cryptocurrency just for blogging or carrying out tasks. And this has been able to boost the economy of Africa in a way because it empowers, our project empowers the users. At least I have known a lot of people who have been able to put food on their table through joining our community. So it's a great community, actually. So before I start answering questions, I would like to let you guys know that Telokanda platform has a local currency, like I told you, which is called Kanda. It is available on Hive Engine. It is available on alcohol exchanges. It's available on Vapi Exchange. You could also find it on the Nudex Exchange. On the Nudex Exchange, it's being traded against Telos. So I have to start answering your questions. I think my colleague has a poor connection, so I'll try getting him on the live stream once more before I start answering the questions. Happy Christmas to you guys. I hope you're all having fun. I hope you're all celebrating already. I hope you're showing love to your neighbors. I wish you all the best. I wish you guys everything you desire this Christmas. And also, I also want to thank every member of the Telokanda community. You guys are the best. You guys make the community fun. And I must say, I love you all. I'm trying to get my colleague on the live stream so he could answer questions too. I think he's got a poor network and that's why it's logging him out. Okay, guys, if you're on this live stream, kindly take a screenshot and drop it on our Telegram group. Drop it on our Telegram group after this AMA so I can reward you guys. I'll be rewarding everyone who asks questions and everyone who attends with one Telos each. While I'm going to, like I said, I'll reward everyone on this live stream. I'm going to be rewarding them with 100 Kanda tokens. And also, I'm going to be rewarding everyone who asks questions with one Telos each and 100 Kanda tokens each. All right, let me take the questions because our AMA is going to last for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, this question says, what is the transaction fees of Telokanda? Okay, Telokanda platform doesn't charge you fees. We are working on our ad website and we're going to launch it in 2021 by God's grace. And when we launch it, we are not planning to charge the fees in the first few months of our launch. Also, if you want to make transactions on our Nitrous site, that is our tribe on Hive, you are not charged any token to make your transactions. Next question is, when do you expect to list in big exchanges? Okay, we have been sending applications to exchanges like Binance, P2P exchange, and actually P2P has promised to list Kanda token very soon. We are also still trying to get listed on OKEX and some few other exchanges. But for now, I think Nudex is the biggest exchange for now that Kanda is being listed on. Okay, another question here. How is Telokanda different from other cryptocurrency? Okay, Telokanda is different from other cryptocurrencies because the platform is based on 3 blockchains, and that's awesome. It is kind of rare to find a platform which is based on 3 different blockchains at the same time. So that's what makes Telokanda outstanding. It's based on Hive blockchain. It's based on the Telos blockchain. About the EOS blockchain, we are still trying to get listed so that Kanda can be paid against EOS on Nudex. So also we are trying to get Kanda listed on an Ethereum blockchain, which is gonna be Uniswap or the P token platform. Okay, the use cases of Telokanda coin. Another question here. The use cases of Telokanda coin is when you buy some amount of Kanda, you stake the Kanda on our tribe. That is our Nitrous site. www.nitrous.telokanda.com. Let me drop the link to the website here so it will be easy for you guys. So when you buy a certain amount of Kanda, what you do is you stake the Kanda through your wallet. You find your wallet on our tribe and you stake the Kanda. The Kanda you stake determines how big, how large your vote value are gonna be. So when you stake some amount of Kanda tokens, you are going to be able to upvote people's posts or blogs. So the amount of Kanda token you stake is going to determine the worth of upvotes you are going to give out to the blogs which you find interesting. And from the upvotes, you are going to earn curator rewards after 1 week. So that's one of the use cases of the Kanda coin. The next use case is going to be for our ad websites where you post ads, you share ads and earn rewards, and you can also post ads too. So when you share the ads, you earn Kanda token, and you also use Kanda token to post your ads on the ad website. All right. Let me look for the next question. Okay. Greetings from Venezuela. Why has EOS not increased significantly? It all depends on the people investing, you know. When there are big investors, the price of EOS increases. So that's what happens to any cryptocurrency. When there are huge investors or when angel investors start trooping in, the value of any coin increases. Okay, on to the next question. Do you have any future plans to find some big investors? Yeah, of course. We have future plans to find big investors. That is the reason why we want to add Kanda to P tokens. Yeah, we wanna have P Kanda in circulation. That's gonna be based on the Ethereum blockchain, and we are hoping to find big investors from that platform. Also, so far we have been able to find investors from the Hive blockchain and also from the Telos blockchain. So, and the ES blockchain too. Our next target is to, from the EOS ecosystem, sorry. Our next target is to find huge investors from the Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, let me see if I can get. Let me see if I could get my colleague to join us. He's complaining he can't hear me fine. Do we have any more questions? How long will it take to process a Telokanda transaction? Actually, it takes like 5 seconds to process a transaction on Telokanda. I think we have that one here now.
Does it work now?
Yeah. Is it working? I hope it's working fine. What's good? Can you hear me now?
Okay, I can hear you now. Yeah, it's a little choppy, but I can hear you.
Okay. Someone is asking, what is the value of Telokanda?
What's the what?
I think you take the last question. What is the value of Telokanda? I think
Oh,
I've
the
been able
value
to answer. Yeah.
in dollars? It's let me go look right now. I think it's like 0.000. You know, we should value it in naira. It's 0.0002 dollars. So 0.00
Okay.
almost 0.01 telos. So it's almost like a penny of like a telos. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I think I've been able to answer all the questions. So let them know. Let them know about the P candle stuff.
Oh yeah. Basically, you know, Conda value is about 10 times the value of a Satoshi, because Satoshi is 0.000025. It's about like 4 zeros and a 2. And then the a Naira, Nigerian Naira, is 10 times the Satoshi. It seems about the value of Conda. I think Conda is around the value of a Naira almost, or 10 times less, something like that, right? Let me look at the value of a Naira right now. Because basically what we can do is we can have Satoshis backing Conda. We can have Satoshis backing the Naira.
Okay.
And we can have a plan like Block One. So basically, the EOS project is made by Block One. Dan Larimer, the inventor of Steemit, he's got like these $3 billion. They raised $4 billion. They've got a few billion in Bitcoin. They've got like 140,000 Bitcoin. And they got their billion EOS, and they have 100 million of that. So they have a few $1 billion worth of that crypto backing another crypto. It's like gold backing a currency. They have the Bitcoin, and if you do the math, there's like 0.00 something Bitcoin per EOS. Basically like $3.50 per EOS. Like if you take all the Bitcoin they have and use it like a gold-backed currency, it's each EOS is worth $3 to $4 in Bitcoin. So that's probably why the price of EOS is like $3, because people see that Block One can back it with Bitcoin. So if the Nigerian central bank started buying Bitcoin to back the Naira, the Naira is right here. So 0.026. So it's actually 10 times more valuable than the Honda right here. So you got like
Okay.
so you got like a 10. So each Conda is worth so it's like 10 Conda per Naira basically. And then Satoshi is worth let's see, 0. It's it's $23,000 divided by 100 million, which is $23,000 per Bitcoin divided by 100,000 million is 0.00023. So yeah, the Conda is about worth one Satoshi. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, when we have our pegged version of Conda on Ethereum, then we can add it to Uniswap, Then we'll get more liquidity.
Yeah.
People will see the Conda token. We're trying to make this like the African version of Steam. Steam had so much potential, and it all just evaporated. Well, they turned it into Hive. They have Blur. It did a lot. Golos was
Yeah.
the Russian. The Russians got Golos. They forked Steam back in 2018. They got the Russian Golos. Well, I always thought we could have the African version of that. And there's so much potential here. People who are Bitcoin rich love giving away small amounts of their Bitcoin or Ethereum to good projects, and they don't expect anything back in return except the fact that they have it. They just want to show that they have this flag of that proves like I gave money to these guys. I gave money to this continent of Africa before when I had potential. Like Jack Dorsey at Twitter, he's always talking about Africa now. He's always posting about Nigeria, Bitcoin.
Yeah, I saw the tweet. He made some days ago about Nigeria. Yeah, being the second highest global marketplace on Paxful, and that's great news to hear.
So we can give everyone here who's watching a Satoshi using Telos or EOS using that ptokens.io. Ptokens.io, they work for Block One, they work for EOS Finex and Bitfinex. Well, they don't work for them, but they're an associated project. They made a version of Bitcoin that's on EOS so that people on Bitfinex, EOS Finex, their platform for EOS, can trade it with high liquidity. So they can go back and forth between Bitcoin and EOS and stay inside the EOS smart contract.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the same thing for Telokanda. I'm lobbying for them to give us our Conda for Ethereum so that we can do the same thing and have a version of Telokanda on Ethereum and then sell it hopefully for a lot higher price because there's a lot more people, and we can do a lot of deals where people can donate to our causes, like Bicon Steam It. They had a project called Soliciting Power where you could buy Steam Power and then donate to projects. We could get people to buy Conda Power, and then they earn a little bit of Conda. And then with that little bit of Conda, they can get their ERC20 Telokanda token, which would be more popular. So it's just all about popularity and liquidity and getting us on the big board. And we've done a lot of work over the last few years. The only thing we need to do is to get more people to own one Conda, because we have a lot of small amounts of Conda to give out. It's not going to inflate the price because it's already been issued. These are tokens that need to be given out to people on Twitter and on Steam. And, we'll do more airdrops.
We can do that on Twitter. We can do that on Twitter with Tip
Twitter.
Tip It.
Yeah, exactly. You could find Africans who have they can't fake being an African user, because we don't want to say we'll give it out to Africa and all these people pretend to have accounts. We'll have it people who have already had an account for years on Twitter. They can't fake that. They have old posts showing where they're from, and then we will do airdrops to people in Nigeria. Yeah, and then they'll all own a piece of it. Steam It, like a Steam It for Africa, West Africa, and there's a lot of people who are back on Steam It in Ghana, Nigeria, who are ready for something. And then the Bitcoin PBTC, you all can have a little bit in our Discord or our Telegram. We'll give you each one Satoshi, maybe actually 10 or 100 Satoshis, because I have a few thousand of these Satoshis to give out. And then I have one Telos to give out to everyone here. And
okay. I've asked them to take a screenshot, so we are going to be rewarding them on Telegram. After the live stream, we'll reward them on Telegram. Also, if you're here and you don't have a wallet, you don't have a Hive account, you don't have a Telos account, you need to join our Telegram or our Discord so you could have these accounts. They are very, very important if you want to be a member of the Telokanda platform. If you're on Hive already, they're all free. You don't pay anything. You don't pay anything. All you do is you earn free cryptocurrency every day. That's what happens in our community. We host airdrops. We give out tokens to our members like almost every day. And we host a crypto rent party on Fridays by 8 p.m. where we give out free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, Telos, EOS, Hive, Kanda, CHL tokens.
And the money that comes out is coming from investors, donators, sponsors. So we always need people to come on the Discord and advertise their product. Of course, it has to be vetted. The community has to like the product. But when the service is then paying, like Challenge Act pays for us to give out like tokens that promote them, and then they can pay a small amount of their budget to give to us to promote them, and then everybody wins because we are funding our advertising just like Steam It with a reward pool. And that reward pool on Steam It, they never had a long-term plan for advertising. We are trying to get that long-term plan because the more people that come to Discord, the more people will pay for the Telokanda token to get their ad on the Discord. And it's like a cycle. It keeps going.
That's true. And we have also been able to develop a bot called Kanda Bot, where we use it to host giveaways. Yeah, it selects winners randomly, so we don't have to select a winner on our own. We allow the bot to select the winners of the giveaway randomly, and we reward them. So it's fun to be part of a community. You could find developers, you find graphic designers, photographers, token experts, crypto enthusiasts, crypto investors, all in our community. So it's great to be part of the Telokanda platform. Like, I'm so proud to be a co-founder of the Telokanda project.
Yeah, man.
So,
and thank you to Pato, who's the original inventor of the concept with Douglas, Telos. Thank you to all these. You, me, and Pato were the three original founders, but we're going to make it so that our tokens aren't dumped. We're going to make it so that we have to be issued these tokens slowly, just like the Telos Foundation, because they have a smart contract called Works Decide. And we were talking about this before we came on. The Works Decide contract will allow us to give out a set amount of Telokanda on Telos every month for proposals, and then for the foundation, which will be the founder. So basically, we won't just be able to wait for the price to get up and then just dump all our tokens. We are going to be paid like a paycheck every. I think it's like every month or something, but it's a set amount. It's all priced in. And like you were saying, the Discord. I want to give a little credit to the Conda bot, creator, the Bala. I forget the number, but Bala in the Discord channel. And of course, the Neoxian chat came from, and all the great resources from Steam Engine and Hive Engine, and all those people. They created a decentralized resource, and it's like we got to take advantage of all those people. They get to make money. We get to airdrop our tokens. They get to all have their GitHub. Oh, and if you do a GitHub issue, you get paid. That's something no one else has. We have, because Tippett added GitHub, we have the Telokanda token and Bitcoin on GitHub through Tippett. So you can make a GitHub contribution of open source code. You can learn to be a coder, and you get paid. And anybody can be a coder. A coding could just be fixing a small error, a typo, asking for a feature. It all starts something small, and then you learn it slowly. It's like a video game. You will learn these things. Of course. Yeah. And we get paid. You get paid directly on your GitHub. Oh, and you don't need a wallet to get paid these tokens, guys. Real quick, you can just go to the Telegram. I'll make it short, but you can go to the Telegram or our Discord, and we'll tip you with the tip bot. So you can actually just get paid directly with your account on Discord and Telegram or Twitter. You don't, and then later you can sign up.
Okay. All right. I think we'll take the last question for today's AMA, and we wrap it up.
And everybody here gets some free Telos token, 100 Conda, for the first 10 or so people, and then some Satoshis. You get some Bitcoin Satoshis.
All you have to do is join our Telegram group.
Okay, so this guy says.
Okay, take the last.
I have a friend who actually met Max Kaiser's wife and went to their New York comedy showing. They did an exorcism of like a central banker. They did a whole comedy show. So I know about Max Kaiser. I know that he did a survey Twitter that said EOS could be a possible scam option, blah, blah, blah. Look, here's the secret about EOS. It is a government type of big deal, like there's some serious people involved. They are part of China because they're trying to make a currency that is like the one world currency for everywhere. There's a lot of rumors, though, a lot of stupid rumors about EOS, and Google joined EOS, so you can't deny. If it's a scam, then why is Google a block producer? So you have to say Google's a scam too. So.
Yeah, you need to.
Google's part of EOS, so there you go. They joined.
I'm just hearing about this news.
It's just a platform. You can scam people with anything. Yeah, we have to be careful. We have to all be careful and make sure that the BitConnect style Ponzi doesn't come back, where people just give money to make money for no reason, just for the sake of money. People have to have utility, a reason, and we got social media. Social media is the reason. You got advertised social media. But yeah, Discord links that City Mills.
Exactly.
Thank you for hosting this, City Mills. And thank you for doing the Instagram live. Let's do another
One
one soon.
love. Merry Christmas, bro.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, man.
Yeah.
Let's do some
Shout
more
out
giveaways.
to the Telokanda community.
Yeah. Let's do some more Telokanda giveaways, Bitcoin, and we'll give away Bitcoin to
on
everyone
Discord.
here. Yeah, on Discord. We have Bitcoin and we have the peg Bitcoin. But yeah, sounds good, man.
All right. Okay. Thanks everyone for joining. I'm
Thanks
so
for
excited to be here with you guys. One love, fam. Peace out. Merry Christmas, Telokanda Nation.
Yeah, man.
One
We'll all
love.
get some diamonds and silver.
Yeah. That's all. I need to see the hype. Okay. I need to get my Kanda pendant.
To Nigerians. We will get an airdrop soon on Twitter for Nigerians, and we'll spend like a couple bucks on the ad on Twitter. We will buy like a $5, $10 ad to see how it goes. We'll start from there. Yeah. But we'll do it on Instagram too. We'll target it in Nigeria, and we'll start from there, man. We'll do that next week. Yeah, for Christmas. We'll do something.
All right, cool. We'll talk more. We'll talk more on our next AMA. Stay safe.
All right, sounds